Quantifying biodiversity is really important so that we understand how our actions are influencing biodiversity and how we can change our actions and improve the outcomes for biodiversity into the future.
Natural capital accounting is important for corporations because it provides them with a way of understanding the value of nature to their businesses and reporting that to their stakeholders and the community at large. The main differentiator that CSIRO brings into natural capital accounting is the very strong and solid foundation in science, which is an essential part of ensuring the credibility of natural capital accounting systems and frameworks. Essentially, we can scale up the impact of the science that we do to help communities, corporations and governments to get the best possible data and products to help them in their decision-making processes about nature.
We've had some really great industry engagement. We've spoken to several dozen companies in the financial space, in different sectors, and they're all really interested.
From a product perspective, it's extremely important to have a customer focus when we're building solutions, because you're taking problems that the industry is facing and you want to apply the latest science to that problem that they're facing. And so doing it with the customer ensures that they're going to use the solution that you're building with them.